So I see mine under documents. So just go back, open, and go to documents. So you go to your KNZ project there. There it is. Select it and open. Alright, so this way you go to the last time. We've just created our grids and we place some temporal dimensions. So I'm going to edit that. First of all, before we start creating our walls, I want to make some. All right, let's create the walls and we make the edits as we go on. So I want to use 150 wall thickness. So let's go to edit, then you duplicate that, change this to generic 150 mm. Make sure it's not cap. All right, okay. Then you go to edit, the structure edit, then go to thickness, change that to 150. Okay, okay, you have that. So from there we can pick our lines. Just go to where or again, pick your lines, just draw it there. There we go. There we go. All right, let me stop here. And we didn't tell revit our top constraint, didn't tell how where you want to stop. So it's still unconnected, and that's 800. So we go to our 3D, that's 8,000 mm. So we go to our 3D, we find this view which is not pleasant to the eye. Let's go back, select our wall, let's change that to level, let's change the first floor level. Let's go do the similar for this, change that to first floor, escape. All right, so now let's pick our wall again. This time let's not make the same mistake, so let's change this to first floor. So when you change to first floor, you realize that height change first floor, and the height is 3,200 mm. So we can pick our wall, we can draw our walls. So there we go, there we go. Skip that, skip that. Let's see what we have in 3D. So that's what we have. Okay, let's go back to our graph. So here we want to make some changes. First of all, let's create a grid here. So let's copy our grid. Constraint is checked, multiple is also checked. Let's move it down 1,500 mm. Enter. Okay, that's cool. Escape. We'll change the label later. Escape that. All right. So after that, let's select this wall. You can use this feature, create similar. Then you can also use a shortcut. I'll use a shortcut later and I'll state it. So you can, as you select this, select that, and click here. Yep. Escape. So you're going to do, once you've done this, let's trim it to get rid of this part. So TR, or you can go to trim, modify and go to trim. So you can either go to trim, this is the trim, yes. So select this and select that. You have that open. Yep. Then escape. Then let's use the create similar now. So let's select this. So CS create similar. Then select this part and join it. Right. We have that. Let's create another grid. But this time, let's make it another 150. That would be cool. So copy this from this, select this, copy from this gray line, escape, escape, escape. I think I'm having some problems with my mouse. Select this again, copy, select that, yes, 1500, enter, and escape, escape. So we can stretch our wall. All right, so we can stretch our wall. Let's go in, click on that, escape. So you scroll in, click on, make sure you get the bubble, yes, and you can move it. Yep, there you go. There you go. So this is what I'm going to do. I want to stretch this all the way here. Yes, then I'll create similar, the same, create similar, and join here, escape, draw from this end to this end. So that's C2. Yep. Then join it horizontally. So create similar and join it horizontally. Yeah, we have that. From there, I want to create another grid here. Let's name that. Let's just create the grid. Let's duplicate this. Let's make it 200 from, sorry, 2000 from the previous grid. Yep, enter. There we go. Escape. Escape. I'm going to edit those grids later. So let's create similar here. Copy same. You can also select the wall and draw it. That one is fine. So you can just go here, go to wall, and you draw. That is fine. Let's give a small extension here. Yeah. Escape. Let's join it here. And let's join it there. I like to extend. So let's do this wall. Yep. Escape, escape. So I want to do something here. I'm going to create a new grid here. So copy. Let's make it, let's make 150. 1500. Yep. Enter. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to split this to create some room here. So there are two ways I can do this. I can either split and trim, or I can split and delete. Either one will be okay. So let's use the first one. You try both. So split. To use the split, you can go to modify. That's the split. Or you can type in SL split. Then you come here. So let's click somewhere here. And we select this and we delete it. So you click your delete button and there it goes. Let's try the other method. So after that, you have to align it to make sure you have the surface meeting. So you use align, that's AL. The shortcut is AL. And you select this and you that. Alright, so that's one way of doing it. Let's let's use the other method where we trim. Escape. So with the trim method, this is what I want to do. Just type TR, select this, and we select this part of the wall, and we are gone. Very easy, right? Very easy. I prefer this method. So we can drag this wall backwards here. Then let's create similar. Yes. Then we join here. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Let me see how it looks like. Yeah. 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 That didn't look bad at all. Alright. So far this is how our ground floor looks like. Let's input. Let me stretch my grid. Let me edit my grids. So escape, Ctrl Z. Let me stretch it, then edit it. Stretch, then edit it. I'm just cleaning up my grids. So I want to make sure everything here is in letters. So to get able to do that without it being conflicting with anything here, let me use letters which are not here. So let's use T here. Let's use Y here. Let's use U here. Let's use I here. Right. So now with that, we can just simply change this back to B. Capital lock on B. Capital lock C. Capital lock D. And E respectively. Using the same approach, let's do similar for this. So let's use P here, U, okay, that was O, and I here, J, N. We could have also just deleted the grids and join new one. I'll show you how we could have done that as well. So with that, yes, one. I prefer this being a shortcut. Sorry, 3, 4. That's one. 5, 6. There we go. That was 7. Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. That's not bad. It looks good. So I want to show you an example a way we could use. Alright, so let me delete this. Just delete it. Control Z. Can delete it by just selecting it and going to delete. Yeah, or you can just press delete on your keyboard. Alright, so with that, let me see how we could set it up. So we can just go to architecture, go to your grid, and instead of join lines, you're going to the line, go to pick lines. Yeah. So you just come here, try and get a center, and yeah, there you go. So once you have that, you select it and you drag it to align it to the other grid lines. So you scroll in, try and get a bubble, right? Yeah, can scroll out. Once you get a temporal alignment, you let go. Do the same for this side as well. Hold on it, drag it. Once you get a temporal alignment, let go. Yeah. Then we change this back to 4. Yeah, there we go. So that's two ways of doing it. So once we are, let me just create a floor for this. So let's go to floors, texture floor. Yeah, I want to make it very simple. Once there's a need, you edit it, just like we did in the grid. So let's use pick lines so you appreciate it better. So let's pick here, 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 and pick here. Yep. We need to trim it to get a nice shape of. So let's use TR. So we can select this and this. Yeah, that is trimmed. Select this and select this, trimmed. Do we need this? Okay. There will be an edit there in the future. It looks all done. Let me finish. Let's see. Where is it going to be? At ground level. Alright, that's okay. That's a ground floor. Alright. So in 3D, let's see how it looks like. This is what we have. Skip. So we have. So far, that's what we have. Alright. So when we work on how to import families, we continue this. So we input indoors, some windows, and some furniture. Then we move to the first floor. Then we do that as well. Then we try and complete this project. It's a very simple project, like I said. So we work on dimensioning in our next video. All right. Thanks for watching this video.